Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Eureka vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the budget-friendly Eureka Airspeed ultra-lightweight compact upright vacuum cleaner, priced at just $69.99. This vacuum is perfect for those who need a compact and lightweight solution for quick cleaning tasks. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, its featherweight design makes it easy to carry and store, even in tight spaces. The 10.5-inch wide cleaning path ensures efficient coverage, while its powerful suction works equally well on carpets and hard floors. This model comes with a washable filter, keeping maintenance costs low, and includes handy attachments like a crevice tool and dusting brush for tackling upholstery and hard-to-reach spots. However, while its lightweight design is a huge plus, it lacks the advanced features seen in higher-end models, such as multi-surface height adjustment or LED headlights. It's ideal for small apartments or quick touch-ups, but may struggle with heavy-duty cleaning tasks. In summary, the Airspeed Ultra Lightweight is a fantastic option for budget-conscious buyers who need a simple, compact vacuum for everyday cleaning. Its low price and ease of use make it a great value, though it might not be the best choice for deep cleaning or larger homes. At number 4, we have the Eureka 3670M canister vacuum cleaner, which combines portability and powerful suction in a lightweight design. Priced at $72.98, this vacuum is perfect for those who want a versatile cleaning solution for carpets, hard floors, stairs, and even cars. Weighing just 8.6 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and the 12-amp motor provides robust suction for tackling dirt and pet hair with ease. One standout feature is the replaceable dust bag system, which keeps your hands clean during disposal and adds convenience. The vacuum comes with extension wands and specialty attachments for reaching high ceilings and tight corners, making it a great choice for whole home cleaning. However, unlike bagless models, you'll need to purchase replacement bags over time, which could add to long-term maintenance costs. Additionally, while the suction power is impressive, it operates at a higher noise level of 90 dB. Overall, the Eureka 3670M canister cleaner is an excellent option for homeowners who need a powerful and portable vacuum for various cleaning tasks. Its versatility and strong performance make it a dependable choice, though the need for replacement bags is worth considering. Coming in at number 3, we have the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. At $79.99, this vacuum offers innovative features designed for versatility and ease of use. Its multi-surface capability allows you to switch seamlessly between carpets and hard floors using the integrated airflow control on the handle. Weighing only 8.15 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning under furniture and around stairs. The 2.5-liter dust container means fewer trips to empty the bin, and its bagless design with washable filters eliminates ongoing maintenance costs. The automatic cord rewind feature makes storage hassle-free, and the integrated crevice tool ensures you never lose attachments. However, the Whirlwind is limited to a single power mode, which may reduce its effectiveness for stubborn debris. and its compact design might not suit larger homes with extensive cleaning needs. In conclusion, the Eureka Whirlwind is perfect for apartment dwellers or those with mixed flooring who need a lightweight and efficient vacuum. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it a great choice, though it may lack the deep cleaning power of higher-end models. Finally, at number 1, we have the premium Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $95.03. This model is packed with advanced features that make it a standout choice for those seeking top-tier performance. Equipped with a 250-watt brushless motor, it delivers 240% more suction power than previous models, ensuring deep cleaning across hard floors, carpets, and even pet hair. The 40-minute runtime on a single charge allows uninterrupted cleaning, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris under furniture. Its lightweight design, at just 5.3 pounds, combined with 180-degree swivel steering, offers exceptional maneuverability, making cleaning effortless. The 5-stage filtration system traps fine dust and allergens, promoting cleaner air. With 3 adjustable power modes, this vacuum adapts to different cleaning tasks with precision. However, its smaller dustbin capacity of 0.6 liters requires more frequent emptying, and its cordless operation means you'll need to recharge after extended use. The Rapid Clean Pro is ideal for tech-savvy homeowners or those with a mix of flooring types who value convenience and performance. It's the most advanced model in our lineup, offering premium features that justify its slightly higher price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.